So we are doing this cool little agent branding video for the two brokers. We're driving up to the mountains, and then we're going to check out the views, and then we're gonna go to Corral de Tierra, which is like a country club, golf club, and then get some video of the agent Matt smacking some golf balls. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. But these are the types of things that you can do that aren't really related to real estate video. I mean, it is technically real estate video, but it's not, it's not properties for sale. These are agent branding videos. And this is a $3,000 video that we're doing today. You know, a little bit of photos, a little bit of video. So just because you're doing real estate doesn't mean you're 100% stuck in doing properties only. So I just thought I'd make this little quick video with this kind of talking stuff, and then I'll overlay some of the footage that I got just so you can see what these kind of things look like. But you can charge thousands of dollars for these, and they're really fun to come out and do. We've been out here for about, an hour and a half already now. And I want to do more of these. So I'm aiming to really impress with this one, even though they asked me, they're like, hey, can you do a branding video? I'm like, you betcha. You bet your little booty I can do one. So we're filming on the GH7, which is actually really cool. And I wanted to talk about it just a little bit. So I've been Sony person for a long time, and I'm selling all the Sony stuff that I have. I picked up this GH7 and I did like a real estate video test that came out really good. And then I pre-ordered the Lumix S1 too, because for all intents and purposes, it seems like a spiritual successor to the A7S3. So that should be here in a couple weeks. But I opted to do the GH7 for this branding video just because I've been so blown away with how this has handled all the video that I've thrown at it. It's been really cool blast in an app, and it's pretty affordable as far as like hybrid mirrorless goes. But being able to shoot 17:9 cinema 4K and 60 frames per second. And that's what drew me to the Lumix S1 too, is being able to shoot the 17:9 60 frames per second, and also the 3x2 and 4x3 60 frames per second open gate, which is going to be super cool. And oh my god, the pod, I didn't take the Tesla up here because this would have been a disaster and a half. It's all-wheel drive, but it's still no bueno.
Hopefully the truck doesn't flip. We'll be the first to die.
We'll be flipped out of here. Or that opens.
Charlie.
I know. I'm sorry, Charlie.
Or Charlie.
Yeah. If you want to get into doing more type of like cinematography, videography, like things, this type of thing, these agent branding videos are really fun to do. It's been a long time since I've done like a real one, and I would go as far to say as this is the first actual real one that I've ever done. So I'm really eager to see how it comes out, and it's been a lot of fun so far. So we're gonna do just film, show this. You know what I mean? We're gonna film at the top. Oh, what is that? Is that a Roadrunner? It's a Roadrunner. That's crazy. But yeah. Anyway, so we're driving to the top of this mountain, apparently, Mount Everest over here. It's like crazy. Doing a little bit of video at the top of this hill. I brought my drone, in this case right here, and then we're gonna head to the golf course to get Saul, because he's a professional golfer. This is really cool though. This is a lot of you want to do more stuff like this, so reach out to agents and just offer to do branding videos, because I had no idea what this was going to entail, but they asked if I could do it, and I said heck yeah. So we're out here doing it, and it's a ton of fun. There's my car way over there. You can see it. The image stabilization on the Lumix GH7 has been so far extremely good, and I think this is going to be a good example of how it looks just handheld, because we're not throwing this on a gimbal. We've got a nice rig up. Well, front picture of Nathan holding the camera up. Here, I'll do this. That's what I see. That's what I see right now, and it's been a ton of fun. So I think we're rolling up to our destination, but have fun, do more of these types of videos, because you can charge a lot of money for them and then get really good gear with the money. And then you can do more like really good real estate videos, really good real estate, photos, all this stuff. And then you can get even better moving to go do more fun stuff like this. Because this is really the thing that I want to keep doing, do more of, are these agent branding videos. Because this is actually for a magazine. Oh, we missed cows right there. There's literally just like 2 cows, which we'll see all the way back down. Yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. do more of these. They're really fun, and you'll have a blast doing them. Even if you're not sure what it entails, you're not sure if you can do it, just try. It'll be a ton of fun. See you in the next Flipper Bite. You're like, oh, and it started recording.
Oh, shit.
All right, ready? We're going down. I don't want to go fast because I got all my gear in here.
Yeah. Understandable.
How sensitive brakes on this. What's going on here? There you go. It's like super sensitive brakes, and then the worst gas pedal mankind. We out here at the golf course. Oh, we're going off road too. Look at that.
Yeah.
Ready?
And it is,
I gotta go. I don't want to bounce. I think I got a busted golf cart.
this is not the best one because you were like, it's like,
That's all right. Well, yeah, because it's a super narrow lens.
yeah.
That's fine. Yeah, we're
We
gonna take
can go.
pictures.
We can just walk up.
And I'll
Since
do-
those guys are done, we can just walk up there.
Just run away.
Just keep going backwards.